Well, you've got the bounce off the 50-day. Probably should have bought Lilly if you wanted to buy it yesterday, I would think. Maybe not the day before, possibly, but yesterday, I would think. Today it's up. Oh, it's only 2%. Seems like a lot more than that. I think it's fine. I think Lilly is one of the big leaders. Got a little ahead of itself on, on the chart. You can see it kind of got for Lilly, it kind of was going up like this and then it went up like that. Exactly. Perfect. That's a sell signal. Plus you had the 20-25% zones, it's kind of all lining up. So I think it's viable here if you want exposure on it. I'm not doing anything with it, but I didn't handle these very well. So I think I've kind of just become observers of these stocks.
Yeah, I was about to say, I mean, you said you were a big believer in the story behind what's powering these two stocks. So you'd rather
Wow.
observe than participate here?
Well, I was a big believer, but it didn't make a big difference in the bottom line of my accounts, which is all that really matters. I didn't handle them very well at all. I wasn't there for the big move in NVO when it finally, gapped up. That's kind of the risk with the way I trade is, I might not be there because the news always kind of comes, out of nowhere. So, uh, I don't know what it is. There has to be something underneath the surface, but it just seems to me that Lilly is better, stronger.
Yep.
I would just buy Lilly. I don't think you need to own both.
Hmm. Yeah, NVO round tripping that breakout where it has this pullback to the
Hell,
10 week nicely above that base.
correct. And even when I remember when I bought NVO, thinking Scott Lilly's acting better, why not buy that? But I liked NVO's numbers at the time. They looked better than Lilly's. Lilly had those
Yeah.
negative numbers,
Right.
whereas NVO had accelerating earnings and sales. Well, at least the earnings were. And it worked. If I had been patient, it would have worked just fine. So, but Lilly seems to be working a little bit better.
And now the numbers are coming in as well, it looks like.
At least you have if you're a numbers guy or girl, you've got earnings. You've got at least a single quarter. You can kind of justify why you're buying it from a fundamental standpoint. You don't have to have 12 perfect quarters, but you'd like to have at least one quarter. If you're using that in your checklist.